Two. Now you push, and I go to the side. If I go to the side with the hand moving, push, it's like this. So now I go to the side, clear, and the hand aims at your nose.
Okay.
Go. Now I'm still on you. If I'm a little bit off, you push, you see, I'm not on you anymore. So this has to be precise. This is what we call turning the straight line into 45. It's turning into the 45. If I turn like this, not good. Like this, confrontation. So this is number 2. You understand that now? Number 3. Put your hand here. We start with a 2. Okay? Here, stand closer. Yeah, now push. And here. The third one is, can you see this is all off? But I sink behind me, right over your head. So the third one, to translate it into something simple, in the schoolyard when you're fighting, when everything else fails, you just go, push the guy out. So it's a two-way stretch like this. And if you push like this, it won't work. If you push like this, it won't work. So these are the 3 things. Now let's do the 3 stops of the circle first before we train. Okay, thanks. Name again?
Gary.
Gary, Lydia, Wyatt. Okay. Oh, that's perfect. Learning 3 names a day. Okay. Okay. Right foot on the toes. In with the elbow. The jam is when you create that speed. Wyatt, you felt that I created the speed. If you wear a helmet or you have been trained in the Shaolin Temple, it's called the iron head. You can actually be pulled and use your momentum, hit my stomach or my chest and kill me. You haven't seen that before, but it's possible. So what we do is we put a jam to stop that momentum. The jam is like this. That's the jam. Yeah. Solidifies here. You feel that when you jam your heel, it solidifies this area and it makes you stronger. Go. Stronger. Your stance, when you wear training, make your stance smaller. That's it. Ramona. Okay. Not enough. You go down slightly. No. On the action. No. Okay. Watch me again. Watch. Watch. Okay. There is. Yeah. Come here. Mike, you feel me here. Yeah. Feel here. Just behind me. Sideways. Yeah, right there. And feel here. So you can switch hand if you need to. Here, elbow. Switch hand maybe. Yeah. So the jam is that when I do this here, this heel causes this to pop up. There's a power there. Otherwise, when your opponent is very strong, you are going to do this. So you must feel the quad is hitting the elbow. The elbow is hitting the quad. And that causes your body to have integrity. Otherwise, you are always either here or here. Okay, go. Much better now. So that jam, your whole body has to go slightly down on that action. Otherwise, you're popping. So that action, watch again. You can watch from there. If I don't, when I do this here, this jam, if I don't drop, can you see I'm dropping a little bit? I have no room for this. So when I drop a little bit, can you see this up, this down slightly to compensate? Look for that position. Very good. Your action is good, Wyatt, but all 3 dots are falling apart. So we want the elbow, the quad, the heel, the 3 to jam at each other. 3, very good. Still not connected yet. Okay. Can you explain what connected is? Because Wyatt and Ramona, you are doing it like this. We use it different because when I can't, this is one of the principles. If I explain it, you are not getting it. Explaining it again, you won't get it. It's just there's a disconnect between our languages. Sometimes you need somebody local, somebody who knows what words you understand. So the idea is we did this, but they are not really working together. is the 3 are hitting each other. 1, 2, and here. These 3 is like they all jam up. So if you want to explain it. So let's just be tedious, but it will work better. Move up and turn around.
Okay.
Because otherwise the video shows nothing.
I can fix that one.
Yeah. So small group, it won't waste a lot of time. So go sideways, camera is. Yeah, let me just second. Okay, I want to check whether this is really good. Yeah, really good. Yeah.
So with the connection, what a lot of you are doing is you're moving this first, then you're moving this, then you're moving this, or maybe this. So try initially just to get the heel, the elbow, and the body. So let this go forward as the heel hits and as the elbow hits. So don't worry about doing it fast. Just get that feel, but actually let it hit your side.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to hit your side hard, but you want it to hit your side because then you can capture the feel of this hitting and this hitting here. So you want all 3 at the same time.
Yeah.
And eventually.
Yeah. You hear the heel, but actually it's here. Because when you do it right, this power goes up here. And then, but this power here is hit back here.
You'll feel, when you do it right, you'll feel the power shooting this way.
Yeah. Much better now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's give it a little bit more. Okay, go.